Hello guys, welcome to another math tutorial by Brittany Borrell. Today's topic will be on multiplication. What is multiplication? Multiplication is when you take one number and add it together a number of times. For example, 3 multiplied by 4. When you took the number 3 and added it together 4 times, this is the same multiplication as sometimes we call it times. So it's the same by adding the number 4 times. Here's an example. 5 times 3. So as you can see, there's 3 boxes to represent the 3 there. And 5. So you had 5 circles in each boxes, and you get 15 for the answer. So you can count the circle in each box and you'll get the 15. It's the same thing by times in 5 times 3, right? So here are some questions. So as you can see, this is 2 digits and we're going to multiply with 5. So that's 5 2s 10. Going to carry the 1 above the 3, and 5 3 is 15 plus 1 16. So 160 is the answer. So remember guys, we're multiplying from the right hand side. So we're multiplying from this side going across, right? So now we're going to multiply using a three digit, right? So let we start. So 2 3 6, write the 6 below, and 2 2s 4, right? 2 1s 2. So here the answer is 246. Number 3, instead of using times in by a 1 digit, we're going to times by a 2 digit, so which is 12. So look carefully guys, and remember we are multiplying from right to left. So because we have we're multiplying by 2 digits, we're going to add a 0. Why? Going to add a 0 to all the ones place. Over this side to all the 2's place. So we're not going to work with the 2. We're going to work with the 1. Right? So we're going to times the 1 times 4. So 4 1s 4. And 3 1s 3. Then now we're going to times it by the 2 4's, right? And we're going to write it below the 0. So 2 4 is 8, and 2 3 6. So now we reach a stage where we're going to add, right guys? We're going to add what we have get so far. So that's 8 plus 0, which is 8. 6 plus 4 10. Write the 0 and carry the 1. So we're going to add the 1 plus the 3. I'm going to write a plus sign here so you can see, and that's 1 plus 3 4. So the answer is 408. Okay, we're going to the next question, which is number 4, and we're going to times a 3-digit by a 2-digit. So remember, the first step is we're going to add a placeholder, which is 0. We're going to the 0 going to hold the 2's place, yes. And so now we can start by timesing the 3 by all of these numbers, but we're going to start from the right to the left. Okay guys, so that's 3 6s, 18. So you carry write the 8 and carry the 1, and you're going to carry the 1 to the over the 5. So 3 5 15 plus 1, remember the 1, and we have to plus the 1, not times it but plus the 1. So 3 5 15 plus 1 16. Going to write the 6, and we're going to carry the 1 over. Then 3 times 4 12 plus 1 13, right? And now we're going to work with the 2 6s 12. Remember, we're going to carry the 1, and remember we work with this one already, so we won't trouble that. So this is the one we're going to add above. So 2 5 10 plus 1, remember we used these ones already, so the new one we're working with. So 2 5 10 plus 1 11. Bring down the 1 and carry the 1, right? So 2 4s 8 and plus 1 9. So here write the 9, and now we reach the stage where we're going to plus everything that we have get so far. So that's 2 plus 0, which is 2, and 8 plus 1, which is 9, right? And 9 plus 6 is 15, and we're going to bring the 5 down and carry the 1, and 3 plus 1 4, and we're going to bring back this 1 because there's nothing. 1 plus itself is 1, right? So the answer will be 14,592. And as you can see, there is 3 digits. We're working from the right hand across, so whenever we reach 3 digit 1 2 3, you can put a comma that will represent. So here we have, you see why it's 14,592, right? And next question is number 5, where we're going to work with a 3-digit times a 3-digit number. So it's the same procedure, but it's kind of a little bit different because we're working with a 3-digit. So instead of writing 1 placeholder, we're going to have 2 placeholder because we have to hold. There is 2 number place where we're holding this time, and we're going to work with the 2. We're going to work with the 2 going to times all these numbers above. So that's 2 times 1 2, 2 times 1 again 2, 2 times 5 10. So we can write the 10 here because we could, even if we put the 1 here, so to hold it we're going to bring back the 1 down, right? So now we finish working with the 2. We're going to start by working with the 3, right? So 3 1s 3, 3 ones 3 and 3 5 15. So we can just write down the 15, right, because we're finished with that side. And now we're working with the 1. So 1 times 1, which is 1, 1 times 1, 1, 1 times 5, which is 5. So we're going to add this now. All of what we have in the red, that's what we're going to add together. And as you can see, whenever we're timing the top number, we go from right to left, right? But whenever we have a 3-digit, we start from left. We start timing from the left number to the right, as you can see. So I'm going to start by adding, and that's 0 plus 3, 3 plus 1, 4. 0 plus 3, 3 plus 1, 4 again. Right guys? And 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. So we're going to write the 2 and carry the 1. And the 1 will be over this side, right? Above this 2. So that's 2 plus 1 plus 1, which is 4. We're going to write back the 0 and the 1. So this is the answer. Remember, when we are moving, we move 3 places from right, and you can write a comma here. So the answer is 104,244. So yes guys, this is the end of the video, and if you find it very informative, or if you find it any relevant to you, you can just like, subscribe, so whenever I'm going to post another video, you are the first to receive that notification. And remember to click the notification bell. Thanks for watching.